Hey there, YouTube. It's Randy, the Mobile Traveler. Hope this video finds you well. Well, today it's crack repair day. Come on back. Got to play that fancy little introduction. See you in a minute. All right. Well, I'm sitting outside Advantage Windshield and Glass in Lake Havasu City, Arizona. They are the ones that's repairing my windshield for me, or should I say replacing it. That windshield got cracked about, oh, I don't know, 3.5 years ago. My son was out four-wheel driving and that's what started to crack. And then when he run into the semi, that really made the crack quite bad. But it isn't illegal in South Dakota because it's not in the driver's line of sight. So I've neglected to fix it. Well, now I'm fixing it. I'll show you what it looks like here in a minute. All right, well, the window has been repaired. I can't believe how nice it looks. I forgot what it looks like to be looking outside of a window that don't have a bunch of cracks in it. Anyway, I'm sitting inside the camper right now. As you can see, or hear, got the fan blowing. I'm sitting inside the camper because there's a bunch of people outside playing music. And, you know, I can't do a video with a bunch of music being played. So I'm going to sit in here and talk to you for a few minutes. Anyway, what is next for Randy? Like I said, I'm waiting around for the van build. I'll be going to that. And then I'll be going to a couple meetups. And I think I'm going to have my own meetup this year. When I figure out when and where, I'll let you all know. It's going to be in December sometime, I know that, before the RTR probably. Unless the RTR is in California, then I'll probably have it during the RTR, who knows. Anyway, oh hey, you guys see that little rack behind me? I had to have a place to put my spices. So I whipped that together real quick. Got a new floor in here. The subfloor was kind of weak, so I just did an overlayment. I'll show you. And it's got carpet on it now. But ain't that nice? It's good and solid. What else have I built? Oh, I built this little cover right here for the sink. And that's kind of doubles as a cutting surface, or prep station, if you will. Okay. Haven't really had to do a lot of stuff to this. The floor was a major thing. And it's kind of weird that there's no cross braces underneath here. Very, very few. And they're spaced out good 6-8 inches or 8 feet apart. Hey, Ace. So that was kind of a chore. I didn't videotape it because I thought y'all might be kind of bored. You know, fix one floor, you've seen them all. Other than that, it's very comfortable in here. Like I say, I just got a fan going right now. The windows ain't even open. Ace, you need to relax. Okay? Stop being a hound. Now go away. Go sit down. Go lay down. Good boy. Anyway, yeah, this ain't working. Look at this. I talk, and he's got to get right up in my business. See, he's just a super hound dog. Ain't that right, Ace? Huh? Yeah. He's a good boy. But he is an attention hound. Everybody asks me, what kind of dog is he? He's an attention hound. Yeah. What do you think? Anyway, Ace, you can't get on me with them claws now. Now look at this crap. Look at this. He thinks he's a lap hound now. Okay, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Well, I had to get him settled down. I started talking to this camera and Ace just gets right up in my business. Like I say, he's a hound dog, an attention hound dog. Gotta love him. Now, I'm going to do another video on who I am, what got me started out here on the road, and why I do what I do. So stay tuned. I have quite a few more subscribers, and they don't know my backstory. So it is time to tell everybody. Alright, y'all, travel on, drive safe now, and love one another if you can, and if you can't, okay, you know you can. Thanks for watching.